Okay, welcome back, everybody. We're going to be talking about employees today. Oh, those wonderful people that help you in your store. Unless you're a one-man shop like my friend Kevin is. Well, technically, he's not a one-man. He's got one person that helps him out, so they've got their own sales ID. Anyhow, that's neither here nor there. Let's go and figure out employees. So, you can either under new company setup choose add or edit employees right there, or go to, I believe it's also here under management. Don't quote me on that. No, it's not here under management. Okay, boy, am I glad I said don't quote me on that. But if you go here to management at the top and choose employees, you get right where you need to be. As you can see, there's only one here with a sales ID of POS and a name of manager and a phone number of 555 da 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 da. We are going to add us a new employee. Give a sales ID to this employee. It can be up to 3 characters, anywhere from 1 to 3 characters. I'm going to use my initials as CGF. Going to give myself a name of Carly Fleischman. Going to give myself an address of 555 West Olive Avenue in Merced, CA 95340. And we're going to say my phone number today is 209-555-1878. And that's only used for internal purposes. It will not print on the receipt, nor will my address. Social security number, you can use any number you want if you don't want to fill it in. And once again, not displayed to the customer, only for internal use. And an invoice name. So let's say I did not want my employees to have their full first and last name displayed on the invoice. I can give them an employee number. So how about employee number 9246. And security group. We'll need to talk about these because none of them are actually set by default. So we're just going to go ahead and leave it at unassigned. Put in a password of up to 6 characters. For the purposes of this training, I will say 123123. If anyone caught the reference, 123123. Next. Assign cash drawer. You never, or almost never, I've never seen a good reason to change this from 0. If you've got the service module installed and this person will be acting as a service technician, you would want to put this in here and you'd want to check it off. I will have to go back and do my research on the service module, and we'll loop around and talk about the service tech flag when we do that. Mail groups. By default, you are in all is the default, but you can do group manager, which we'll do. And we'll add us a couple of things. And we'll say group name, managers, MANAGERS, enter. And add us another one. Employee, cashiers, CASHIERS, enter. And we'll add us another one just for fun. Let's say we're a quick service food joint. Cooks, enter. Oh, that did not like me, did it? Yeah, okay, it did. So what we're going to do is we're going to say managers. And we are going to say we can either add just the one, which is POS, or we can add all the employees that already exist. We're going to say, we're going to close this out. Now, you will not be able to see these groups now because we just added them. So let's go back. Yeah, we are going to have to quit out of here. Let's quit out of here. Do add. Do this again. CGF. Name is Carly Fleischman. address is 555 West Olive Ave in Merced, CA 95340. Phone number is 209-555-1878. Social security number is 9. Why not, right? And my invoice name is 9246. Then we're going to enter that. Password 123123. Now this is a hinky wizard because it won't let you do the F10 thing. I know. Okay, and we're going to say I'm a service tech. Next. There's our groups. As you can see, I'm a part of all, obviously. And I'm going to make myself a part of cashiers. Clicking on cashiers and sending it that way. Okay. And because I did not define security options for myself by doing the security group, I'm going to be prompted, what am I allowed or not allowed to do in these various areas of the system? By default, everything is checked, and we're going to leave it all as being checked, because we're going to cover security groups in great detail in another video. And if you did, I'm going to go all the way back to the first screen. If you did set a security group instead of unassigned, so say cashiers or manager, that last screen about security options would not have come up. But since it did, and then we go to this screen here, finish. Okay, so we've added me as an employee. In the next video, we are going to talk about employee security groups. This is going to be fun. So I will see you in the next one when we do talk about employee security groups.